Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into LinkedIn events for growing your local professional network. Full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. Click the sign in button to access your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, look for the search bar at the top of the home page. Type events into the search bar and press enter. From the search results, locate the events option on the left sidebar and click on it. You will be directed to the events page where you can see upcoming events. To create an event, click the create button located at the top right of the screen. Fill in the details for your event, including the name, date, time, and location. Choose the event type, whether it's in person, online, or hybrid. Add a description to give potential attendees an overview of the event. Select your audience settings, deciding if the event is public or private. Once all fields are completed, click the Create button to finalize your event. To join an existing event, return to the Events page and browse through the listed events. Click on an event that interests you for more details. If you'd like to attend, click the Attend button. You might be prompted to invite connections to the event. After confirming your attendance, you will receive notifications and updates about the event. Engage with other attendees through comments or discussion threads related to the event. Utilize the event to expand your local professional network by connecting with participants. Remember to follow up with new contacts after the event to strengthen those connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.